you do not have a guide yet, here is how you can make one. So you'll notice here it doesn't show up where it should, right in this spot. You can either tap on this plus button and tap guide and make it from here, or if you don't have that option, you can search up my name, Michelle Gadd _DM, and you can click on my guides and click on any guide you want and scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see right here it says feeling inspired, and click create guide, and then you can choose places, products, or posts. So I suggest starting with your own posts. Create a guide, click posts, and then you can choose from any of your posts that are on your wall here, or right along the bottom you can choose save. So I save some of mine so I can include them here, and I can just, if I want to just do my reels for instance, I can save those and then click next. Now you will have to add a title, so I could put top reels if I wanted. You really want your title, because this is one of the first things they'll see. You really want your title to be captivating. You want to captivate your audience's attention and make them want to click on your guide. You can also add in an optional, a little bit about what your guide is about, which they will see. And then you have to, again, make sure that you add a title for each of your posts that you have added here. So make sure you add a title. And then if you're not quite sure what the post is about, you can tap on it and it will play it for you. And then that way you can also read your caption. And then, so that way you can add a title in. Once you have done all that, you can click next. But because I haven't, I'm just going to remove some of these. So to remove them, you tap on that top, the little 3 dots in the right hand corner there. You can remove from guide or reorder your post. So I can reorder it however I want here. And then, so I'm just going to delete these so I can kind of show you how this works. Oops. So you can use saved posts, and what I suggest is go through and decide what kind of guides you want to make, and then you can save those posts because it's easier than going back through all of your posts, and you can add it that way a lot easier, so that way they're all in one spot. And then you can also add posts if you want to add more. Again, so you'll see, because I already saved these so that way I could show you, I can just tap them, right, and add it that way. And then you can change your cover photo for your for your guide based on whatever it is you want. So I could just make it a really nice photo if I want, or whatever it is. You can either choose, unfortunately you can't upload new photos, you can just choose from the ones that your posts, you're saved, or from your guide, just so you know. So once we've made that, and you want to make sure, like I said, the title is captivating to make them watch it. So what would I put for this? I'm just going to put top reels for right now. But you want to make sure also it gives a good idea of what it is about. And then once you have created your guide, you just click next. And here is, you can preview it. So this is what my guide looks like. See how, because I didn't add any other text in there, you don't know what they're about really, other than what I tell you in the title. So you can either share it or you can save it as a draft. Once you've shared it, you can still add to it, in the sense that now that it's been published, if I go back to my profile, you'll see that guide is now here. So if I tap there, there is my guide that I just uploaded. If I want to add more to it, I will tap those 3 dots in the right-hand corner, click Edit Guide, and add posts. And that's how you can add more posts to it. Or if you want to, you can share your guide to your stories, which is what I would recommend doing. You can check my stories and see how I did that today. And then also you can create a new guide in the fact of just pressing right here where the plus button is. Again, places, products, and posts.